Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix drag and drop not working on Windows 10 or Windows 8 or Windows 7. Let's fix this guys. Go to search menu and type change user account. Change user account setting. Click on it. In change user account setting, you need to be default. This you need to be default. Press OK. Apple make changes. Yes. The next step you need to go and type cmd run as administrator. Press yes. In cmd you need to type copy from my description. Tap this bar, right click, eject, paste it. ffc space slash scannow. Press enter guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. We need to wait. This to verification need to be 100%. We need to wait for a few minutes. Guys, after finishing this 100%, you need to copy my description. Next command, copy this, right click, copy, and tap this bar, right click, eject, be paste it. Press enter guys. This process will take 10 to 15 minutes. After finishing this 100%, you need to restart your PC guys. That's it for today's video guys. Hope this tutorial definitely worked for you. Give me a thumbs up guys. Thank you.